Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Suzanne. Today's video is going to be on my Sephora haul. I hope you guys enjoy it. I got so many stuff and I want to try so many new things. I made a few repurchases, but not as many as new products. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Please subscribe, and if you want to see what I got, just keep on watching. So I've got 3 boxes in a bag. I'm gonna start with this bag here. I got this Peter Thomas Roth. This is a peel gel and you get your eye patches masks. I love these masks so much and I want to try the peel, so this was a good deal. It was $100. So I got this and they're both full sizes. And the next thing I wanted to get was this Sephora scalp massager. And if you didn't know that Sephora had 30% off, this was separate from the 20% off during the VIB sale. And it had good reviews on Sephora's website, so I decided to get it. I think it was $15 if I'm not mistaken, but I cannot wait to try this. So with this small box, first, I want to try this for a long time. My hairdresser always uses it and she always told me about it. This is the Backstage. This is the Air Flash foundation from Dior. I got my shade in 301. I tried it on the back of my hand. It's really pretty. So I cannot wait to use it. Let me know if you want a review on this foundation. I got 2 perfumes. I've never tried the replica, and these are the ones I got. So I got By the Fireplace and Jazz Club. Jazz Club is more for men, but it's really a nice scent. I love men's scents, especially when they have this smokiness in it. It's not too strong as a men's perfume, but I really like it. By the Fireplace, it's by far my favorite. It's really good. The Jazz Club smells like cigar, a little bit of, you know, tobacco. It smells so good. I really like this. I also wanted to try the Isle of Paradise. This is the dark self-tanning drops. I got the dark ones. I don't know why, just because I thought this is natural. I think it's gonna be light for my skin, so I decided to grab the dark one. So I got the Gucci lipstick and I got it in the shade 104. This is Penny Beige. Everybody talks about these lipsticks and how bougie and luxe they are. Of course, the packaging is beautiful. As you can see, it's gold, and this is the color here. I swatched it on my hand the other day and it's actually very long lasting. It was on my hand for a long time, so I'm just gonna swatch it for you here. It's a little bit more, it has a brown base to it, but it's really a wearable beige color. I love nude lips, so this will be really good with a light lip gloss on top. In this box I have Tower 28. I got the Bronzino illuminating bronzer and I got my shade in Gold Coast. Most of these were sold out on the Sephora's website during the sale. Of course, everybody was buying things. So the packaging is super cute. It's very simple, clear acrylic. And this is the bronzer. It's illuminating, so it has sheen to it. Very creamy. And this is the color. I don't know if you can see it. It's very wearable. Yeah, I cannot wait to try this. Blending really nicely. It has a sheen to it. Like, it's really pretty. But it's setting. It's not sticky, which I'm really loving more. Yeah, I like that. It's not sticky at all. It looks like shiny, like a lip gloss, but it's actually setting very well. That's really nice. The last thing in this box, I got this Buxom Plum Shot Collagen Infused Serum. This is for your lips. It's supposed to plump your lips and make them more soft. It helps with the lines on your lips as well. So I'm really excited to use this because by far my favorite is the Lip Injection Extreme by Too Faced. So that tingles so much though. Some people don't like the tingling sensation, but this one, I'm really excited to use it. If you see Sephora's reviews on this, everybody loves it. I'll use it and I will let you guys know. Follow me on Instagram because I upload so many videos, like reels, and same thing as my YouTube channel at Beauty with Suzanne. Let's move on to the second box here. So I got the Tower 28 Save Our Skin. This is Daily Rescue Facial Spray. I haven't tried any of those yet, so I don't know how they feel or how they look on the skin. So this is supposed to soothe, purify, and renew, the happy solution to angry skin. So let's see how the mist is. Yeah, that feels really good. It doesn't smell like anything. Okay, again from Tower 28, I got the blush. This is Peach Please Luminous Tinted Balm. You can use it on your lips, your cheeks, whatever you want to do with it. This is in the shade Magic Hour. Again, I wanted to try the other one, the peachy one. I can't remember the name of it, but they were all sold out. So I got this one here. It's more of a nude shade, which I'm really excited that I got this actually, because comparing to the other one was really warm. It looks really, really pretty. I'm just gonna swatch it here. Oh yeah, that's very, very pretty. That is beautiful. Oh yeah, that would be a perfect lipstick as well. It's when you swatch it, actually it looks more of a nude pink color. Yeah, I'm really happy. So this is again Magic Hour. I got this foundation from LYS. Is a clean makeup line as well as Sephora. I got my shade in medium neutral one. It's a cute package, and this is what the foundation looks like. It's really, really pretty actually. It has a pump and it's pink. It's beautiful. I'm definitely doing a first impression on this foundation. This has a luminous finish, and again my shade is medium neutral one. This is a repurchase. This is Fable and Main. This is a hair oil. You put it on before you wash your hair, like 5 minutes prior your bath, or you can actually leave it on overnight. So that's what I do. I massage it at night, go to sleep, and I wake up the next day and I wash my hair. Your hair looks so soft, shiny, and very, very healthy, and it's supposed to help with the growth, and if you have thinning problems as well, that will help too. And from Josie Maran, I got this Argan Pro Retinol Whipped Body Butter. I don't know why I got this. I just wanted something for my body. I haven't used any like luxurious product for my body. I always use like, you know, cheap stuff, but I decided to get something that's really healthy. This is the moisturizer for your body. It has retinol in it. I love Josie Maran product. Josie Maran has good products, and I'm really excited to use this one. I opened it up and it doesn't smell like anything, which I really like. Let's try it here. It has a light pink color. Oh, that's very nice actually. It absorbs into the skin so quickly. Oh, that's beautiful. I have more of Sephora products because Sephora had 30% off and I kind of went crazy. So I wanted to try the Sephora Best Skin Ever foundation. This is, I don't know why I got this shade. This is way, way too dark, so I have to be tan to use this and show you how it works. This is in the shade 28.5 neutral. I think I had a tan that day when I picked it up, so it has a pump and it was $25, I believe. You get 25 mil, so yeah, $1 for a mil. I got those two lipsticks here. These are liquid matte lipsticks from Sephora. They are so, so good. They last on the lips for a long time. They don't dry up my lips. I have so many shades, but I wanted to pick up some more nude shades. So I picked up the shade 99 and 75. I got another lipstick from Sephora. These are the Lip Stories. This is Virgo. I know my sign is Cancer, but this color, you guys, it is so pretty. I'm just gonna show you here. It is super, super pretty. You see how beautiful it is, and it has a sheen, so it's not matte, which I'm really happy. It is super creamy, super pigmented. I hope you can guys see the swatches because it's really, really bright today. Yeah, just gonna put it on my lips. Yeah, that's really, really nice. So more from Sephora. I got this Sephora Jelly Melt Lip Gloss. I got it in the shade Salsa. I thought it was more of a rosy color, but it's more like a reddish color, as you can see. Yeah, it smells like berries. So good. So this is supposed to be leaving a tint on your lips when the shine is gone, which I actually tried it on. So it leaves a tint like this on your lips, which is really, really nice. It's very, very hydrating as well, and it's not sticky at all. This was like 30% off, and it was actually on sale for $7. So I grabbed this. I got this face mask holder. This is just a silicone holder for your masks. Some masks that I have, those gold ones, they tend to slip all the time. I decided to grab this. So this is supposed to help to hold your mask in place. So it looks like a mask, but it's not a mask, you know. It's a silicone. It's pretty color. It's lilac with glitter in it. So you're supposed to put this on top of your mask. And yeah, I would actually try it with those sleeping masks. Put it on for 5 minutes just to kind of make it absorb into your skin and, you know, wash it afterwards. I'm really happy about this. I cannot wait to try it. Got this dry body brush. It was all over the internet at the beginning when they first came out with this dry brush. So I want to take care of my body a little bit more because I really do so much for my skin, but not for my body. So I'm really excited about this. So I'm gonna open it and see how it looks. It's really, really soft actually. It's not too prickly, which I'm really excited. And it has a good grip. So you just scrub before you go to your shower. I'm really happy about it. I think I'm missing one order and I'm not sure if I got it or not. I did order some other stuff, but I don't see them in my boxes. So let me check. It's coming May 3rd. So this order, it's on its way. It's all from Danessa Myricks. I wanted to try more of her products. So I got the foundation and I got 4 more of these color fix that you can actually use on your face, lips, eyes, cheeks, whatever you want to use. So I got the shade Blackout, which is a black. She used it as a liquid liner, which was incredibly beautiful. And the other shade I got is Exposed, Ballerina, and the other shade is in Kaleidoscope. So I got the color N04 for the foundation from Danessa Myricks because I liked what I got in my first order, so I decided to grab more colors. So this is a matte shade. This is in Creme Brulee. And I got the red one. The red one is really, really nice. I swatched them on my hands and I put them on my lips as well. They lasted so long. This is red. So as I said, this is matte as well. You can use them as eyeshadows, blushes, or lipsticks. So they're multitasking, which I'm really happy about that. And I also got her clear one. So you can turn any matte to a glossy finish. And this is the gloss. It's clear. You can use it on your eyes as well, but I'm not sure because it's really, really glossy. I don't like this sticky feeling, but I'll try it on my eyes as well. And from Danessa Myricks as well, I got this Dew Wet Highlighting Facial Balm. I don't know why I went ham on this brand as well because I've never tried it and it was out for a while at Sephora, but I think we just got it in Sephora Canada, so I'm not sure. This is, as I said, which color? So this is in the shade Morning Dew. I feel like this packaging is very, very cheap, but what matters, to be honest, is the inside. And oh yeah, oh my goodness, it feels like butter. So I'm gonna swatch it here. So it's clear, you're not gonna see anything, but you're gonna see a sheen. Here it is. Very, very shiny. A repurchase here, it's this Olaplex number 6 Bond Smoother. I love this stuff. I put this one when my hair is wet. I love how it makes my hair not frizzy or anything. It feels so, so smooth, and yeah, I love this stuff. The next thing I got is this One Size Turn Up the Base powder foundation. I got it in the shade Medium 1 Neutral. The reason why I got it in the medium shade, just because I do like to tan in the summertime. The packaging is everything, you guys. Look how cute is this. I got the translucent powder from One Size. I really, really like it. It's very smoothing. It doesn't cake up, doesn't look heavy under the eyes. And I use it for my face as well. And I like his under eyes masks. I really love those as well. So this is what the powder looks like. It's a little bit more, it's actually not too dark, and it has a mirror, so which is nice. I'm gonna just feel it. Oh yeah, it's not too dark. This will be fine when I have a tan on, especially in the summertime. Yeah, it's actually blended into my skin really well. Yeah, I'm really happy about this as well. And as I said, I'm gonna be trying these as first impressions. Probably I'll do a full demo and review on this foundation by itself. I love powder foundations. My favorite by far is the It Cosmetics one, the black original one. That was my holy grail. It's so easy to use and I love how full coverage it is. I got those facial cotton from Shiseido. I've never tried these before, but people swear by them how soft they are. I haven't opened it yet, so I'm really excited to use it. I use cottons all the time just because I use toners every single day, day and night. So I'm really excited to use these because they say they're so soft on the skin, and people use them mainly on their eyes when they remove their makeup. So you're not tugging on your eyes. But for me, I switched to makeup eraser towels. I got one in my BoxyCharm, and I really love how it takes my makeup off, but I hate washing it every single time, so I decided to grab this. This has 7 in there, so you can just toss it in your laundry bag. So this is what it looks like before I open it, and you get them in a bag. You get 7 in here. I think Sephora collection has them that they have like a mitten kind of style, which I think they're easier to wipe your face. So yeah, these are a little bit more thin, and you also get a pouch here, so you can actually put them in here and throw them in your washer. That's very, very neat and handy. The last thing I got was this First Aid Beauty Eraser Body Scrub. I got the duo. I paid $72 for both. So this is a resurfacing body treatment, contains chemical and physical exfoliators that work together to deliver the benefit of chemical peel and microdermabrasion at once. So it has glycolic and lactic acid to exfoliate really nicely. And I also forgot to mention that I got the Fenty Beauty Eaze Drop Blurring Skin Tint. I did a review on that. I'll link down below. It's downstairs because I left it when I was filming. I left it there. So yeah, I got the shade number 7. And if you want to see how it worked for me, just click on the link down below. So this is it for my haul, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe for more videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.